morning, students. Children, do you like to celebrate festivals? Yes, immediately I can see some spark in your eyes. You all like to celebrate festival, isn't it? We all enjoy the festive mood of different festivals like Eid or Bakra Eid or maybe Diwali, Dashera, Navratri or Christmas, isn't it? We are all happy in a very joyous mood during different festivals. Children, today we are going to discuss about a unique festival that is celebrated in Spain. Yes, an European country in Spain, and in Spain they celebrate La Tomatina. La Tomatina. You don't wonder what type of festival is it? La Tomatina? Yes, it is La Tomatina. Children, as you can see, it is written, it is celebrated in Spain, and actually it is celebrated a place called Bunol. Okay? B-U-N-O-L. It is around about 30 kilometers from Spain, a small town in Spain where this festival is celebrated. Why unique? Because it is a fight, but it is only with the vegetable called tomatoes. Only tomatoes are allowed, and people, they get their childish thing coming out when they throw tomatoes to each other, and that is the festival. This festival is celebrated once in a year, annual festival held in Bunol, a small town in Spain. This festival is organized on the last Wednesday in August. Every year in the month of August, the last Wednesday, no fixed date, only the last Wednesday, this festival is celebrated. Of course, this year it was cancelled because of this COVID. Now, every year, people from all over the world, they come, they enjoy this festival where it starts at 11 o'clock in the morning and ends at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And on that same day, for these few hours, trucks and trucks of tomatoes come to that city where these tomatoes are not of very good quality because they just waste, throwing at each other. They are little inferior in quality and little soft, and so that people can be kind of easy to throw at each other. And you can see, I'll show you some pictures where you can see people lying and throwing tomatoes to each other. Okay, it's a really unique festival where tomatoes are used for fighting. Like children, you enjoy throwing things at each other when you are young, but once we grow old, we don't go on doing these things. But yes, that child instinct is there in every human being. So adults, they go there, they enjoy there. You can see trucks of tomatoes are brought to the city on that day, and they are thrown at each other. People throw tomatoes at each other. Of course, people are advised not to, feel bad when things are, because this is a festival. In the name of festival, everybody, only tomatoes are thrown. They are asked to, wear goggles so that the acidic part of the tomatoes can't affect their eyes. Now, some rules are there. Tomatoes need to be squashed before throwing, means you have to make it little soft, okay, so that when you hit somebody, that person doesn't get hurt. So it has to be squashed before throwing to the other people so that they don't get hurt. No other vegetable except tomatoes are thrown and are allowed, only tomatoes, no other vegetables. Participants have to make way for the trucks, because trucks come, as I told you, loaded with tomatoes. Okay. After the second horn, first the horn starts at 11 a.m. and the fight starts. At 11 a.m. the horn is blown and the fight begins. And as the second horn is blown, which indicates the end of the festival, no one should throw tomatoes at each other. So it is the rule, and everybody abides by. Many foreigners, tourists, they come and enjoy this festival. And children, round about 1,50,000 tomatoes are used, and it's a very famous festival Spain organizes every year. And this La Tomatina is not only, that is festive week, and La Tomatina means there are many festivals in that. Out of that particular tomato fight is held in one day. There are other programs also held on that whole week of the last week of August, because this tomato fight is held on Wednesday, last week of, means the last Wednesday of that month of August. The week leading is massive. There are many festivals are held, like some cooking contest there, then there is firework, then there is parades, and then different boxing and baseball competition or contest is held there. So whole week this fun and festivity continues. Now, what is the reason for starting? There must be some thing that happened that people started this fight. It is a bit sketchy. Sketchy means people are not sure. They are not absolutely sure that why this festival started, why this festival began. This La Tomatina festival in Spain, why it began. It is so said that in August 1945, way back in 1945, there was a street fight between two group of people, and in that, children, one of the people who were fighting, he threw some vegetables on the other group. There were shops there and vegetable shops were there, and he just picked up and he threw it. Then they repeatedly, then they started fighting against each other, and the furious battle started. Very serious battle started between the two groups. Next year, the same group of young people picked up a quarrel on purpose and brought these tomatoes. This time they brought tomatoes. So they took up the fight next year also, and for this purpose they threw tomatoes. In this way, they say that this fight started La Tomatina, but later on it is taken, it's not a fight, there is no two groups of people fighting against each other. It is just a fun, it is just a festival where people just enjoy throwing tomatoes at each other. Children, the lawmakers or the police of this country, they try to stop this because there was a lot of chaos, and naturally it will be all in a chaotic situation because so much of large number of tomatoes are used and people will be, so you have to maintain the law, and they repeatedly try to stop that fight. But because of its popularity, the fight again started in 1950 actually, and fight was not allowed in 1959, and in 1950s it stopped. However, due to the rising pressure, again in 1959, the fight started, and it was the administration, the town council, means the management or the government managing the town of Bunal decided that they will only start the fight with the blow of the horn, and the fight should immediately end after the second horn is blown. So they had made this law because in 1950 they decided that it was really a chaos and things should be stopped. But in 1959 again it started, and till date it is continuing. Now after the fight is over, what happened, the local people with the administration, they clean, they have the hose pipe, as you have seen this large pipes, and with water everything is clean. So everybody takes the initiative to clean up after the fight is over. Okay, so it's like this in an enjoyable fight. And Spain in 2002 it was declared that it is festivity of international tourist interest because of its great popularity, and it boosted the tourism, like people all over the world started coming for taking part in the festival. So La Tomatina is a really enjoyable festival and a unique one in the world. Okay, so this is all about the story. Thank you, children.